So this is a shot that I've taken before, and the last time I took this shot I really liked it, but again it was on Fuji Provia 100F, so it was really contrasty and saturated, and what I didn't allow for was the really highlight areas right at the back of the scene, and I ended up having a shot that had blown out areas. So I've been wanting to come back to this scene for quite some time, and I've been watching the weather and paying attention to the the cloud coverage and the wind, because in these ferns they just kind of, all it takes is a breath of air and they're all over the place. So this morning the wind, there's hardly any wind, so I'm really fortunate in that respect. But there is quite a few bright areas in this scene. There isn't as much cloud as I would have hoped for. But that being said, I think I've been able to arrange the composition in a way that works, and just to try to cut out those areas. And there's this fallen tree here with beautiful green moss on it that's surrounded by these ferns that just leads the eye into this kind of huge redwood base, and it's just quite beautiful. So I feel quite fortunate I've been able to get the shot this morning. So I've got my 50mm lens on here, which is a wide angle lens, and it has this little viewfinder on the side here that you have to use on this camera. So I've composed the image and I've exposed the shot, and it was an 8-second shot at f11. So I'm looking forward to see how this one turns out. So that's my 8th shot done, and it's looking quite nice. Kind of found these huge redwood trees, and I've kind of arranged them in a way that leads the eye through the photo. And I've got my 80mm lens on here, so it's not too compressed, but it's compressed. It's not wide angle. And yeah, it was a 15-second exposure, and there's all these beautiful ferns around surrounding all these redwoods. So I'm hoping the Fujifilm Provia 100 is gonna give me a beautiful contrast between these lovely green ferns and these kind of browny reddy redwood trees. So yeah, I'm looking forward to how these ones turn out. So 9th shot done now, one more shot to go, and I just came across this scene here. There's this beautiful fern behind me here, with the little new ferns growing out the middle, and kind of a big redwood tree just behind it. So I got my 150mm lens on and focused on the new ferns growing in the middle, and it's quite a shallow depth of field, so I'm hoping I'll get quite a decent amount of fall off, and got quite a bit challenging then because the sun started to come through and was shining on the leaves, and I was trying to time it so that it went behind a cloud or behind a tree or whatever it was. But I set the exposure off, and then just towards the end there's part of the fern that came into light, so we'll have to see how that goes. Anyway, one more shot, excited to get it in the bag, and yeah, really looking forward to seeing these images. So I will continue and get the last shot. So that's it for today's video. It's quite exciting. Walked around the redwoods for a couple of hours this morning, and yeah, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.